Hello new web talkers. How is everyone doing? Did you miss me? I know I haven't been around for a while, sorry I've been having a little back pain from sitting down in the office too much, but hey I'm back. Some of my referrals have been asking me how do I connect with my new referrals when they don't accept your connection yet. Well, I found a way, let's go over to my rewards panel, let me show you an example. You can reach here by clicking the 3 lines on the top right hand corner of your profile, then go down a little bit, where it says rewards, right there click on it. Then look for where it says dashboard, click on it. Now, I'm going to find one of my referrals, I'll pick one from referral level 2, that has not accepted my request yet. On this one, as you can see we're not connected yet. If you clicked on the message box you'll probably get a photo that popped up like this, but I notice if I click on that person's profile there seems to have a message area to itself. Nice, now we're able to send a message to our referrals before they even connected with us, letting them know that we are willing to help them set up their account. Enroll and get more referrals on their team. Now that really helped me to get in contact with my new referrals fast. I hope it helps you. Thanks, have a nice day everyone. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please click that subscribe button. I promise to come with more information on Webtalk and how to grow your business. See you later.